Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best Micoson long-sleeve lightweight thin 2025 summer cardigan for women. This cardigan is a fantastic addition to any wardrobe and will elevate your spring and summer style with ease. This Micoson cardigan is designed to offer both comfort and style with its lightweight, breathable fabric, making it perfect for warmer weather or cooler air-conditioned environments. Whether you're heading out to the office, running errands, or relaxing at home, this cardigan has got you covered. With its open front design, it's easy to pair with almost anything in your closet. Jeans, leggings, skirts, and dresses all coordinate seamlessly with this versatile piece. The long sleeves provide just enough coverage, and the pockets add both practicality and style. Made with 95% polyester and 5% spandex, the fabric is soft to the touch, lightweight, and just stretchy enough to offer comfort without being restrictive. The relaxed fit ensures that this cardigan works for a variety of body types, and the simple yet stylish design will never go out of fashion. Whether you're layering it over a t-shirt, tank top, or even a dress, it provides a nice, cozy layer that can easily transition from casual to dressy. The pockets are a great feature, not only adding functionality but also offering a stylish touch to the overall look. You can easily store small items like your phone or keys, or simply slip your hands in to keep warm when it's slightly chillier. Another great aspect of this cardigan is its versatility for all occasions. It's a perfect choice for casual days at home, as well as a stylish option for office wear. It's also great for vacations, parties, or street outings. The cardigan is an essential addition to any woman's wardrobe and is an ideal gift for anyone who loves timeless, comfortable fashion. The Micoson long-sleeve lightweight cardigan is available in a range of sizes, from small to XX large, so you can find the perfect fit for you. The cardigan is machine washable, making it easy to care for and maintain, and it's available in a variety of colors, including classic black, to suit any preference. So, if you're looking for a cardigan that combines comfort, style, and functionality, the Micoson long-sleeve lightweight cardigan is a must-have for the warmer seasons ahead. It offers a great balance of style and practicality, and it's sure to become a staple piece in your wardrobe. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you in the next video.